Hi, this is Becky McCully with Your Charlotte Living, and today we are talking all about bathroom organization. We are going to talk about a few organization hacks that you can use when you're selling your house, but you don't have to wait until then to use some of these tricks. This will also help keep your bathroom organized every day and also make cleaning it a breeze. Having all of your personal grooming items on the counter is really distracting from the actual space and makes it really hard for people to envision themselves living there. Here we have this gorgeous tub and vanity marble top that should be taking center stage. All of these bottles and items on the counter are what is drawing the eye in. And every time you clean this bathroom, you have to take every single one of these bottles off the counter, clean it, and then put them all back on. And who has time for that? Now that we have the vanity in tip-top shape, let's talk about the shower. I recommend removing everything from the shower and bathtubs. The easiest way to do that is to get a basket from somewhere like Target or the Container Store. For the shower, I prefer something like this that has a little bit of drainage to it so that you don't have to constantly worry about water piling up and mold accumulating. Pack everything from your shower into this basket and then just take it with you when you go into the shower. Kind of like when you were in college, traipsing down to the community bathroom. After you finish showering, you can just wipe the basket down and put it away, out of sight, out of mind. Practically, this is only for house showings. This isn't something that I would do on a daily basis. Check out these before and after shots of this bathroom. Now, the before, there's nothing wrong with that, and it's very practical and probably looks a lot like your bathroom. But wouldn't you want to feel like you're walking into a brand new home every day with this bathroom? If you have any questions about how to organize your home, or if you're thinking about prepping it for sale, please give me a call. I would love to chat with you.